Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshi. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Cancer at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Ngayon po, ang gagawin natin ay isang pangkalata na pagbasa para po sa taong 2024 dahil meron po nag-request sa akin na gawin ito. At ang gagawin po natin ay every quarter po para po sa buong taon. At mag-umpisa po ako sa career and money, and then susunod po yung love. Okay? Pero bago yan, tignan muna natin yung pangkalata na mensahe para sa buong 2024. We have opportunity knocks. So, go for it. No? Ano naman? We have resilience. Rise above the turbulation. And animal bond. Stand up for all animals. Okay? So, kung mahilig kayo sa hayop, ito yung sinasabi na ipaglaban nyo yung mga hayop. Take care of them. Kung nakita nyo inaapit, alagaan nyo sila. Okay? Ito yung mga mensahe sa inyo for the whole year. So, kung merong opportunity na nakikita mong kumakatok sa iyo, i-grab mo siya. Kunin mo. Para yun sa iyo. At, alam mo, lahat naman kasi tayo ay dumadanas ng kahirapan, o sabihin natin yung pag you're being tested, no? In a way, you're being tested. So, ipakita mo na kaya mo malagpasan pa ito, no? Being resilient about it. Now, tignan natin yung kung ano yung sa tarot. We have the 5 of Cups, the 9 of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. We have the Justice, the Chariot, and the Strength card. We have the Knight of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and then the 8 of Cups, the 10 of Pentacles, and the Moon. Overall energy, we have the 7 of Pentacles and the 5 of Pentacles. Okay, Cancer. Yung first dito, no? First quarter, January, February, March. Itong January, pagdating sa work, may regret ka, no? You regret with this work that you're doing. Maybe because it's something to do with yung kasama mo sa work. Because here, you prefer na maging mag-isa, being single, doing things on your own, kesa may kasama, no? I think you more better off than I think you're better off having somebody with you rather than being alone. Baka if you are, kung gaba may ginagawa kang business ngayon, or you're into online selling or something na talagang ikaw lang, no? Ikaw lang mag-isa. Or maybe you're doing things na work from home, yung mga tipong ganon. Kaya ikaw lang, wala kang kasama. Hindi ka tulad sa office setup na marami kayo, so marami ka chika, enjoy kayo, may kuga ba, medyo may pagka-sociable yung dating ng environment, di ba? Hindi ka tulad sa bahay na nag-iisa ka palagi, kaharap mo lang yung computer o yung laptop, and kausap mo yung kung sino man yung kausap mo on the other line, kung meron lang kausap. Most of the time, it's just you. And nawawala kasi yung di ba yung energy kasi ng King of Wands is more of yung pang masayahin na kasama ito. Yung energy niya is really fun to be with, party goer, yung mga sociable, action oriented, yung ganun. And to think also, of course, attractive, no? So, kung ba attractive ka, tapos wala ka nung ibang nakikita kundi sarili. Sayang naman yung pagiging attractive mo. Kaya, kung ba parang nangihinayang ka, I think you're regretting the fact that you are working by yourself. I think you miss the fact na meron kang mga kasama. And that's what you've been feeling itong first quarter ng taon na ito. If you've been doing this kind of work since last year pa, or maybe more, syempre, kung ba, dadating din yung time na nananawa ka na eh. Na ganito lang ba yung aking parang everyday work situation na tipong on my own, no? Ganun. I think you miss the fun part, the social part of having your coworkers around you. So, yung natin, yung second quarter natin is you are given a choice, no? April, May, June. You're given a choice to move forward, to have the strength to move forward and the courage to move forward, no? Kasi kung ba nag-iisip ka na tutuloy ko ba tong work na to? Kasi nga, meron akong mga namimiss eh. There is something na parang kulang nga sa akin na as if hindi na maganda, hindi na normal. Kaya pinapagpili ka, no? They're trying to tell you, God or the universe is trying to tell you, then make a choice, no? Make that decision. Ano ka ba? Would you stay in this type of work, or would you rather move forward with the energy of the chariot, which is your energy, so you would be able to have that strength or courage to go out there again and be in a normal working environment. Yun yung iisipin mo ngayon sa second quarter. Ano na bang next plan of action ko? Now, in third quarter mo is something na talagang gusto mo, kasi yung idea na minsan andun ka sa loob ng office, o minsan andito ka sa no, sa place mo. So, in other words, meron ka rin kasing ugali na parang hindi ka consistent eh. I think it depends on your mood, no? Cancer. Kung ano yung feel mo. Ba itong araw na to, mas gusto ko nag-iisa lang o mag-work. May araw naman na gusto ko kasama ko sila. Though, both of them, of course, you work. Because you love your work. You love your work. It's just that you're not consistent about it. Hindi ka yung sabihin natin na willing ka talaga na dito lang ako sa bahay. Or willing ako na mas gusto ko talaga sa office setup. Yung ganon. I think you're more of yung parang, yung tipong gusto mong setup yung pang sales eh. Yung minsan nasa labas, minsan nasa office. Yung ganong setup ba? Kasi parang, pag nasa labas ka, o nandun ka sa kwarto mo, sa bahay mo, you feel that you can breathe, no? Nobody's looking at you, and you can just relax and still do your work. Pag sa office setup kasi parang, di ba, nakaka-stress. But you need to be there once in a while, di ba? Pakitang tao. And then, pagdating yung last quarter, no, this year, I think you will decide to search for that. Hanapin mo yun eh. Or you will walk away. You would search and for this Ten of Pentacles. Hanapin mo yung saan ka talaga masaya. Kung saan talaga yung future mo. Kasi sa ngayon parang hindi mo alam eh. You don't know. So you're trying to look for that future kahit na hindi mo alam, no? With the moon energy coming from a Pisces. Hanapin mo siya kahit hindi ka sure kung ano what future lies ahead. So whatever this opportunity is na nakikita mo, this opportunity is which is knocking on your door, ito, gagrab mo yon. You will go for it. Once nakita mo yon, you will go for it. Kasi nga, yung matsagain ka eh, no? Being resilient. Matyaga ka naman eh. No, here. Being resilient. Yung overall energy dito is you are resilient. Matyaga ka sa trabaho. But sometimes I think you need to go away. You know, to move out. Kasi nga you need to breathe. Kailangan mo makahinga. You need to be free. I think that's the easiest explanation. Kasi it depends on your mood, no, Cancer. I think there is that energy of the moon, no? The moon is something that is moody, which is your planet, no? Planet mo is moon, Cancer. Kaya may pagka-moodiness eh. Kaya you will search for that. You will search your Ten of Pentacles, yung katuparan ng lahat ng pangarap mo. Lahat ng gusto mo. Or you will search for this opportunity to get more money. No, matyaga ka eh. I mean, ito, matyaga ka mag-intay sa pera. And I think you've been waiting from 5 to 7. But you wanted, of course, the 10 of Pentacles. Yung maraming pera. And that's what you're gonna be looking for. Yun yung hahanapin mo. So, pagdating ng last quarter of 2024, magfo-focus ka doon. You will focus on earning more money going towards 2025. Yun yung gusto mo. Mas madagdagan pa yung pera mo. Okay? Maybe yung regret dito is not just sabihin natin for being single and alone, but the regret of being independent, the regret of having so much money. Gusto mo magkaroon ng maraming pera. Okay? Yun yung gusto mo mangyari. You wanted to have so much money and to be independent. Kaya, yun yung i-achieve mo. I think you've been thinking about that, and you will try to achieve that towards the end of the year. Okay? Yun yung gagawin mo pagdating sa career and money. Now, pagdating sa love life, Cancer, meron ka pa rin regrets, no? With the Five of Cups, you regret being single. You regret being a single person because you wanted already to meet this handsome or beautiful person, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, na magbibigay buhay sa'yo, na magbibigay ng, kung ba parang, yung ano ba, excitement sa'yo. It could be also na nagre-regret ka kasi nakipaghiwalay ka dito sa iyong fire sign. No? Kaya ka naging single kasi nag-regret mo na naghiwalay kayo. It could be also that. Kasi kung titignan mo, you are looking at your King of Wands. No? Yung regret is really looking at your person na bakit ka nawala sa buhay ko. Maybe you miss this person so much. Yun na naiisip mo ngayon, itong first quarter, especially parating na yung Valentine's Day, maybe it gives you yung nare-reminisce mo, no? Naalala mo noon na kung paano siya pagdating ng Valentine's Day, how you feel every time na may okasyon, that there is someone that is loving you, mga ganon. Pagdating ng second quarter na you're given that opportunity to have that second chance, the opportunity to make that decision, to move forward with a Leo. Kung ba parang, ano na, magre-reconcile ba kami nito? Should I contact this person again? Kami na ba talaga? After realizing that, I miss my person. Bigyan ko ba talagang dapat laksan ko na yung loob ko na i-approach ko siya? Binibigyan ako ng pangalawang pagkakataon to really go and approach this person. Yun yung gagawin mo or pag-iisipan mo to, pagdidesisyonan mo to sa second quarter ng taon na ito. Ano na yung plano? Ano yung gagawin ko dito? Kasi pagdating ng third quarter, you try your best to do or ipakita yung passion mo towards your person. We have a pair, kung titignan mo, the King and the Queen of Wands. So you're a perfect match. And you wanted to see, kasi since this is a knight and this is a queen, no, kung titignan mo dito, may nagbago. Kasi kung ba parang mas less yung pagiging niya, yung, ang tawag mo dito, yung, kung yung dati sabihin natin na siya yung serious type na, eto ngayon medyo hindi. Medyo may pagka-player type. No? So, maybe you thought you wanted this person, pero nakita mo nagbago yung person mo. That's why you're looking out. You're looking away from this person na, and looking into a new love. Nagets mo ako, Cancer? Kasi kung ba dito, siguro nung time na nag-decide ka to have the second chance to approach this person, you've realized also na nagbago yung person mo. This is also a once, no? Remember, hindi tayo nag-change ng suit, no? Once pa rin siya. So, this is an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, ikaw, no? Cancer, you have the energy of the Queen of Wands. You're looking into a new love. Gusto mo panibago. Maybe because this is not consistent at all. May pagkabata pa rin ang dating. Kaya pagdating nung last quarter, I think you will be walking away again. And this time, you wanted to search na yung talagang tutuhanin ka na. Yung pang seryoso na. Yung pang forever na. Yung pang matagalan na relationship na. Yung tipong pakakasalan ka na. Hindi nakikipaglaro lang. And itong hinahanap mong to, you don't know kung dadating, pero willing ka to take that risk. You know? Sige, kasi nang gusto ko. So you see, if there is that opportunity, you will grab it. Sabi ko nga, di ba? You will grab it. Kasi this is what you wanted. So tignan natin, bakit andito yung 5 of Cups? We have the Devil and the Temperance. So yung regret dito is all about something na very toxic and not balanced at all, no? Yung ni-regret mo kasi hindi tama yung yung relationship, may pagka-toxic. But andito yung Judgment. We have the Emperor and the 7 of Wands. Now, you're given that second chance, what? To find a serious person na alam mong sure talaga, na alam mong nasiseryosohin ka at hindi ka na magiging very defensive pagdating sa relationship, no? Kasi alam mong tututuhanin ka na nito eh. Bakit andito yung Ace of Cups? We have the 4 of Wands and the 9 of Swords. So, yung bagong love na iniisip mo, or you're hoping for, or praying for, of course, ang gusto mo is mag-lead into marriage. And that is something na iniisip mo palagi. Pinag-iisipan mo talaga siya. I want something na magli-lead na to marriage. Bakit andito yung 8 of Cups? We have the Tower and the Empress. Bakit ka umalis, no? You walk away. Because something shocking happened, something unexpected happened. That's something to do sa isang bagong pagbibigay ng buhay. No? Something to do with giving life. Bakit andito yung Tower? The Ace of Pentacles. Yung something shocking is to start a new life. Kaya ka umalis kasi you wanted to start a new life. Gusto mo magkaroon ng panibago. Bakit andito yung Moon? We have the World and the 2 of Pentacles. something that you don't know, Cancer, is there is a new cycle coming in. Oo, tapos na tong cycle na to. You're at the end sa December. Pero if there was a new cycle coming in, and this will be something that you need to balance yourself. Itong cycle na to. Bakit andito yung Two of Pentacles? Wow. Alam mo yung, ito kasi, this is a new cycle, a new beginning. Of what you need to balance is because you will be successful. Magiging successful ka dun sa hinahanap mo. Something that you are been looking for, that you are looking for. No? Kaya I think yun eh, yun yung matagal mo nang inaano, wini-wish it will happen. Tanong natin, tatanong ko kasi is, kailan sa 2025 ito mangyayari? Stop rushing things. Sinagot niya na ako. Na hindi ko pa tinatanong. Huwag mo daw madaliin lahat ng bagay. Huwag mo madaliin, Cancer. Dadating siya. God's time. Divine timing yan. Okay? So at least alam mo, merong mangyayari. Alam mo na magkakatotoo ito. Okay? Magkakatotoo and you will be successful. Tagumpay ka, Cancer. Okay? So you just wait. Be patient about it. Okay? So I hope nakatulong ito sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.